Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate some exercises you can do at home that'll really help you, especially during this COVID time. I think a lot of people are suffering from sitting poorly at home and poor ergonomics. So basically, the first thing I'm going to show you is you want to get a little piece of TheraBand, about, I'd say 15, 18 inches long. And we're going to work on the upper back, because what's going on is a lot of people are doing this for 8, 10, 12, 14 hours a day. So basically what we're going to do, what happens when you do this, you shorten your pec up here, and it gets shorter this way, and eventually your head starts going forward. So we want to lengthen all this here and shorten your upper back muscles. So one of the best ways you can do this is just grab a piece of TheraBand and just basically elbows in and just kind of squeeze your shoulder blades back. So you're going to come this way and squeeze back. And what I'm recommending is you do 3 sets of 10 twice a day. That's going to give you more strength in your upper back, which is going to help you hold up your head better and help you with your posture. So another really good one for your upper back is called the upper back crunch. This is you can do without any equipment at any time. So basically you're just going to grab your wrist behind your back. You're going to go straight down towards your rear end and squeeze your shoulder blades back as hard as you can. You want to hold this for like 15 seconds. Okay. So down and back and squeeze, almost like you're holding a quarter in between your shoulder blades. So you want to do that for 15 seconds every half hour for the rest of your life. So another one we show you how to alleviate trigger points or pressure points is by getting a lacrosse ball, and really common for people to get like pressure points in their upper back between the shoulder blade and their spine. So basically just put your back up against a wall, you're going to drop that ball down, and just kind of get right on that sore spot and just kind of like go up and down on that, and just kind of push into it to the pressure point, basically melts like butter. Now I'm going to show you how to alleviate pressure points or trigger points in the low back area. Again, you want to grab a lacrosse ball and you're going to put that ball right on that pressure point area, and you're going to cross your leg over and basically support your neck so you don't strain your neck, and just kind of move your hips back and forth on the ball. Now I would do this for a good 30 to 45 seconds until the trigger point releases. You can repeat this 2 or 3 times a day.